The fuel cap warning light is more than just a simple reminder. It's an important indicator of your vehicle's emission control system health. The fuel cap is a critical component of your vehicle's evaporative emission control system, or EVAP system. This system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere and maintains proper pressure in the fuel tank. A loose, damaged, or missing fuel cap is the most common cause of EVAP system leaks. When the cap doesn't seal properly, fuel vapors escape and trigger the warning light. Modern vehicles from 2020 and newer have advanced EVAP systems with enhanced leak detection capabilities. These systems can differentiate between various leak sizes and even feature smart caps with integrated sensors. The EPA's updated Tier 3 emission standards, fully implemented by 2025, have made EVAP system compliance more critical than ever. Fuel cap-related emissions violations now carry increased penalties during inspections. Several diagnostic trouble codes are associated with fuel cap issues. P0455, indicating a large EVAP system leak, is the most common code triggered by loose or missing fuel caps. Understanding these warning signs and codes helps you identify fuel cap issues early, preventing more serious EVAP system problems and ensuring your vehicle meets emissions standards. The first step in fixing a fuel cap warning light is performing a thorough visual inspection. Check that the fuel cap is present and properly seated on the fuel tank opening. Next, tighten the fuel cap using the correct technique. Turn the cap clockwise until you hear 3 to 5 audible clicks. This ensures proper sealing pressure without over-tightening. If the warning light persists, use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. A P455 code specifically indicates a large EVAP system leak, which strongly suggests a fuel cap issue. If the fuel cap is damaged, cracked, or the gasket is worn, replace it with an OEM or equivalent part. Using the correct replacement ensures proper fit and sealing performance. After fixing the fuel cap issue, clear the diagnostic trouble codes using your OBD2 scanner. Then drive the vehicle for 50 to 100 miles to allow the system to complete its self-tests and verify the repair. If the warning light continues to appear after following these steps, professional diagnostic testing may be needed. This includes smoke testing and pressure testing to identify other potential leaks in the EVAP system beyond the fuel cap. Following these 6 steps systematically will resolve most fuel cap warning light issues. Remember that proper diagnosis and quality replacement parts are key to a successful repair.